So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Amazon delivery not updating. So let's get straight into the video. So before we even start, I'm going to tell you to wait out the 48 hours window. Generally, deliveries frequently arrive within 48 hours of the last update. If no delay notification has emailed, wait 2 full days as the package may nearly be at your door. If that is not the case, you can simply go ahead and tap on the U tab and head into your orders and simply tap on the specific order and click on track. It is going to go ahead and give you a little tracking number that you can put in the courier's website directly, or for most of the granular details. If that is not the case, it could also be because of your payment issues. If an order remains in ordered status without shipping, verify with your bank that charge is cleared. Well, that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.